How to create email campaign in Mailchimp. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create email campaign in Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and gonna go to mailchimp.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Mailchimp, it is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers a variety of tools and services for email marketing, automation, and other digital marketing activities, in which it is widely used by businesses, organizations, and individuals to create and manage email marketing campaigns, build and segment email lists, and engage with their audience. And some of the features that this platform provides, including email marketing, marketing automation, email list management, A/B testing, reporting analytics, and many more. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail by simply clicking the pricing option on the top panel of it. You will be directed on this page, in which below here, it will show you some of the plan, including the premium plan, standard, essentials, and the free plan. And below, you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. But in those plans, I'm going to choose the free plan. And to do that, all you need to do is to kindly click the sign up free button right here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to fill out all of the required information. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here, the next thing that you need to do is to verify or activate your account by simply checking your Gmail account or your email inboxes. And below here, kindly click Activate Account button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the dashboard or homepage of Mailchimp.com, in which from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you could also navigate. We have here campaigns, automation, audience, analytics, website, content, and many more. And now, since we're trying to make an email campaign, just proceed by clicking the campaigns option on the left side panel. And you can select either all campaigns and campaign manager. And under all campaigns, below here, it will show you the list view of all the campaign, including the view types such as email, SMS, automations, ads, and many more. And to create new campaign, just click Create New button on the top right corner. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to choose either to create a regular email, automation, or even a landing page. But in those options, let's start first by making or designing a regular email. So kindly click Design Email button right here, and you will be directed on this page. In which from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, starting by adding a recipient or the person that you will send this email to. And if you still have no contact, you can import contacts by clicking this button right here. It will show you how would you like to add a contacts. In which below, you have the option to import from other service, where you can upload a file or import a contacts from CSV, or by copy and paste or directly paste in new contacts from a spreadsheet or similar list. Now going back to this page right here, the next thing that you need to do is to add from or to fill out your required information such as your name and also your email address. You could input here your company email address and also your company name. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the subject or the subject line of this email. And after that, you can now start designing the content to your email. And as you can see below here, you can even add your social media account, such as to connect your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And that is one way to create an email campaign in this platform. While the second way to create an email campaign is by simply choosing a template. And to do that, just do the same process, which is by simply clicking the Create New button in here. And as you can see on the left side panel, by simply clicking the email, you have the option to create a regular plain text or template email. So I'm going to choose the template email, in which all you need to do is to simply select a template and start designing it. And to proceed, just click the Get Started button right here. And after that, it will show you a variety of templates that you can choose. And now to proceed, kindly select by simply clicking the Select button right here. And it will show you a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to enter the name of this template. So let's say I'm going to enter here Launch Campaign. Kindly proceed by clicking the Save button to proceed. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you can start designing or customizing the layout and the content of this template. Starting from its logo, you could customize the alignment from left, center, right, and you could also add a link to it by simply pasting it in here. And aside from that, you can even change the color or image background of it. So let's say I'm going to choose this color and make the logo on the center. And after customizing the logo, we can now proceed by editing the content of this email campaign, such as this context right here. I'm going to delete this and change this into a context that says, "Be ready for the best." And below, you could also customize this one. And you can use the editing tools on the left side panel in order to edit the context or the content of your email campaigns. And aside from that, you will also see here under the content section, on the left side panel, you can even add a heading, paragraph, button, image, another logo, product, and any other elements on your email campaigns. And now, to save the changes, just proceed by clicking this button on the top right corner. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And by simply clicking this arrow, you'll be able to create an email, preview, share this template, duplicate, and even create an email to it. And now that we successfully made an email campaigns template, the next thing that we need to do is to go to automations and click overview. And from here, just proceed by clicking build from scratch. Since the purpose of automation option in Mailchimp is to automate repetitive tasks such as sending welcome messages, purchase emails, and other types of emails triggered by specific dates, events, or subscriber activity. And now from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information and proceed by clicking Start Building button. Then just click Choose a Starting Point, and it will show you what kind of starting point would you like. Period tag added, sign up for email, and many other starting point. You could also choose contact activity, date and special events, shopping activity, and many more. So let's say in those options, I'm going to choose the starting point, which is this one, sign up for email. So kind of click on it, and after that, just check these boxes right here to include imported contacts, and just proceed by clicking save and starting point. And after that, we can now proceed to add a journey point. By simply clicking in here, you will be able to choose either the recommended, the rules, and the other actions, such as send email, send SMS, but I'm going to choose send survey email. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window, and below here, it will show you your survey email, including the content of it, such as the recipient and from, the subject of your email, the schedule of it, and also the tracking. And after that, by closing this action, you can even add to continue the workflow of this automation. However, you need to upgrade your account in order to continue saving this automation. So now, moving on to this page right here, aside from campaigns and automation, you can even navigate some other options on the left side panel, such as audience, analytics, website, content, integration, and any other option in here. But that is just how you can create email campaign in Mailchimp. Thank you.